Hi and welcome to our lesson on learning the 6 times table. We will start by learning the easiest 6 times tables. 1 times 6 is just 6. We will then use a trick for 2, 4, 6 and 8 times 6. For 2 times 6 we can write the 2 and halve it to get 1 in the tens. For 4 times 6 we write 4 and halve it to get 2 in the tens. For 6 times 6, we write the 6 and halve it to get 3 tens. For 8 times 6, we write 8 and halve it to get 4 tens. This trick only works for 2, 4, 6 and 8 times 6. 10 times 6 is easy because we just add a 0 to 6. 11 times 6 is easy because we just have 2 6 digits. We will practice the trick for multiplying 2, 4, 6 or 8 by 6. To multiply 2, 4, 6 or 8 by 6, copy the number and halve it for the tens digit. We copy 2 and find half of 2, which is 1. We copy 6, and half of 6 is 3. We copy 8, and half of 8 is 4. We can use these numbers to find the rest of the 6 times table. 3 times 6 equals 12 plus 6 more. 3 times 6 equals 18. 5 times 6 equals 24 plus 6, which equals 30. 7 times 6 equals 36 plus 6, which equals 42. 9 times 6 equals 48 plus 6, which equals 54. We can also remember the 9 times table trick, where every digit in the 9 times table adds to make 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Finally, 12 times 6 equals 66 plus 6, which equals 72. We can see the pattern in the 6 times table of 6, 2, 8, 4, 0 in that order. This means that if we know a previous times table, we can easily add 6 to find the next one along. We will always have the pattern of 6, 2, 8, 4, 0 in that order. After 0, we start again with 6 and 2. There is also a small trick to remember the odd multiples of 6. We can add 5 to 3 to get 8. So we know this ends in 8. Add 5 to 5, which equals 10, and this ends in 0. We could also subtract 5 from 5 to get 0, which may be easier. 7 subtract 5 equals 2. Even if we did 7 plus 5, we get 12, which also ends in 2. 9 subtract 5 equals 4. To multiply 3, 5, 7 or 9 by 6, the answer ends in 5 more or less than 3, 5, 7 or 9. Here is 3 times 6. The answer ends in 5 more than 3, which is 8. 3 times 6 equals 18. Here is 5 times 6. The answer ends in 5 less than 5, which is 0. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 6 is also half of 10 times 6. Half of 60 is 30. Here is 7 times 6. The answer ends in 5 less than 7, which is 2. 7 times 6 equals 42. Here is 9 times 6. The answer ends in 5 less than 9, which is 4. 9 times 6 equals 54. Digits in the 9 times table add to 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. To multiply 6 by 10, put a 0 on the end. 10 times 6 equals 60. The digits in the 11 times table repeat, so 11 times 6 equals 66. To multiply by 12, multiply by 10 and by 2, and then add them together. 10 times 6 equals 60. 2 times 6 equals 12. 60 plus 12 equals 72. Here is the 6 times table. Pause the video if you wish to learn it. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video and have a go. Question 1. We have 2, and half of 2 is 1. Question 2. We have 8, and half of 8 is 4. Question 3. 5 more than 3 is 8, so 3 times 6 ends in 8. 3 times 6 equals 18. We could have also added 6 to 12 to get 18. Question 4. When we multiply by 11, we repeat the digit 6. 11 times 6 equals 66. Thank you for watching. If you would like further practice, more questions are available on our website.